All right, quick video on if you have a 5.0, if you're doing the rear springs. Very easy way to take these things off. Don't try to remove all these arms and stuff and remove the knuckle, push it down. Don't do all that stuff. I feel like it's a bit complicated. All you really gotta do is remove this subframe bolt right here. It's a big old bolt. It's 21 millimeter. Goes connected to this thing right here with 2 bolts. But take this off. Take the other big one off. 2 subframe bolts. I mean, 2 sway bar bolts right here. So in total, you're looking at 4 bolts or 6 bolts. 2, 3, 4, and then 2 small ones, 5, 6. I already put these in. I'm actually taking them off because I'm selling the car. But if we lower it now, you can see it starts to drop. Just careful with these lines. This one, probably this one, but they seem to be good right now. So keep dropping it. And just like that, you saw, this thing literally kicked itself out. All we do now, pull this, pull that, and it's out. Easy, simple, no need to make any crazy thing going on. Only thing now is when you put the stock ones back in, the stock ones are a lot higher. So what you might have to do is loosen up the other subframe bolts over there. Just loosen them. They're just loose. Those are loose. The main 4 subframe bolts. Loosen them and still lower this down even more. It's not going to damage or anything. Like I said, careful with your hoses. Don't drop it too much. Just enough where this thing comes out, where the spring can go in. Easy, simple. Like I said, don't be taking off all these arms and control arms and whatever arms. You might have to remove the strut. I'm replacing the strut as well. But that's easy. Just loosen these 2 bolts up and it'll drop. But yeah, that's what you guys saw. Spring literally took itself out. But yeah, hope this helps somebody out on your 2016, 2018 Mustang, whatever. Get it done.